I'm Janice McDuffie with TMC. We're here in Miami at IT Expo East. I'm joined by Brough Turner, founder of netBlazr. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Janice.
So can you tell us a little bit about your company?
Okay, netBlazr is a startup, literally May 3rd, 2010. netBlazr is disruptive broadband. We're doing an end run around the phone company, the cable company, the FCC, and Congress. So with that modest objective in mind, we are basically, for the moment, focused on businesses in downtown urban areas because businesses have an even worse problem typically with internet connectivity than consumers do, and because that's the easy place for us to start. We're doing a radically different approach. We could be thought of as a wireless ISP. However, we have a freemium business model. That means we're offering a free service and funding it with a premium paid-for services. We're using a radically different wireless approach, point-to-point wireless links, window-to-window, so we're bypassing the rooftops, bypassing the landlords, dealing directly with the people who want the service. And the cute deal of a free service is you can get this free service or these super low-cost premium services, but you need to buy a wireless node, put it in your office window, and turn management over to us. So if you think about the costs of being an ISP, it's the cost of building the infrastructure, which for us is almost zero, the cost of customer support, which we do by providing, here's the wiki, here's the online forum, and here's a list of third parties that you can pay for support if you want support. So we've driven down the cost to the point where we can offer free services, shared internet access like Comcast Business Internet, and premium services which are dedicated data rates for businesses that need that at 1/5 the market rate, and we're still profitable. So.
Great. Well, and you said your company is relatively new. Can you tell me how development is going?
We started May 3rd with just an idea. We have validated an awful lot of the premises. We have a pilot network up and running in Boston's Back Bay. We have 4 customers attached and are beginning marketing this month to try and sign up 20 or 30 more, but we are in a development stage and expect to be evolving the network and all the interlocking parts of what we're doing, the business model and so forth, over the next 18 months, grow it to scale in Boston, and then move out to the NFL cities and then to the top 50 markets in the US. But that'll be 2-3 years from now.
Great. So do you see any key trends for your area moving into this year, into 2011?
I think the key thing that makes what we're doing possible is evolution of wireless technology in general and highly directional point-to-point wireless links that they leverage Wi-Fi silicon, Wi-Fi technology, but they use it for specific commercial purposes, and we're leveraging this technology, and Moore's Law is basically wind at our back. Every 6 months there's something more interesting that we can leverage for our new business model.
Well, can you tell us a little bit about what you're doing at IT Expo this year?
Well, even though I've been coming to IT Expo for, I don't know, 12, 15, since the 90s, when I was in voice over IP in the early days of voice over IP. At this point, I'm here actually for the 3G Wireless Evolution Conference and the Super Wi-Fi Summit, which are 2 conferences that are done in conjunction with IT Expo. I was speaking in each of those conference threads, 2 different presentations yesterday afternoon.
Great. So. Do you have any expectations with networking at the show?
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, partly this is a social thing because I know all sorts of people in this industry, right. But specifically I have connections. I'm looking for suppliers. I'm looking for connections in the public policy space associated with broadband and open spectrum and various political movements, if you will. And in the Super Wi-Fi Summit, I'm a member of the Wireless ISP Association and several of the other people presenting there, so I was participating with them in promoting.
Great.
Promoting wireless.
Can you share a little bit about what happened there?
Sure. The Super Wi-Fi Summit was principally about the TV white spaces opportunity and the assumption that the first technology that will be deployed on these newly available frequencies will be Wi-Fi technology. And the first market that's interested in using Wi-Fi technology running in the spectrum freed up by the TV white spaces decision is typically not netBlazr, but rural wireless ISPs who need these new TV frequencies so they can go farther in suburban and rural areas where those frequencies will go through trees and reach further distances than the things we use.
Okay. Well, very interesting. Thank you very much for sharing with us today.
Okay, more than you wanted to hear?
No, absolutely not. I'm Janice McDuffie with Brough Turner at IT Expo East. Thank you for watching.
Okay, thank you.